Revolutionary open-source programming language Mojo just got a major boost. Developed by Modular AI, Mojo combines the usability of Python with the performance of C, making it 35,000 times faster than Python. This game-changing language is designed for AI and machine learning applications, allowing developers to build and train large models quickly. With Mojo's open source release, developers can now access and contribute to its growth, accelerating AI innovation. Mojo's key benefits include high performance, dynamic typing, and seamless integration with popular frameworks. The open source community can now leverage Mojo's potential, driving breakthroughs in AI research and development. Mojo's documentation and community support are now available, making it easier for developers to get started. Don't miss out on this AI revolution. If you're as excited as we are about Mojo's limitless possibilities, like this video to show your support. Leave a comment with your thoughts on how Mojo will change the game, and subscribe now to stay ahead of the AI curve and get exclusive updates on this groundbreaking technology.